All right, we have to find the sum of the first 10 terms. And so first thing I want to do is I got to figure out which formula I'm going to use. So if I look at the formula sheet, I'm finding the sum. So it is finite because it's 10 terms. But I have to figure out, am I doing an arithmetic one or a geometric one? All right, so I'm going to go back in here and say, okay, well, looks like what's going on here is you're just multiplying by 2 each time. Right, so that's going to be geometric. Geometric, again, is a multiply or divide pattern. Right, so we're going to need the geometric formula. So we're going to need that one right there. All right, so we're just going to fill it in, and we know that there's 10 terms. So that's going to be n. So we're summing 10 terms, starting with the first term of 2. And then we do 1 minus r, which is 2 to the 10th power, because there's 10 terms. And then 1 minus 2 on the bottom, 1 minus r. Right, so again, when I do this, I do the top part of my calculator first, and then divide that by the denominator. So the denominator is pretty easy, it's just -1. And then the numerator, I enter all of this at once, basically the way it's shown. Right, so to give you a clear picture of it, it would be, I forgot it already, 2, and then in parentheses, 1 minus 2 little hat thing, 10. So I got the power by doing this thing right here. And then close the parentheses and make sure the 10 is actually inside like that. Okay, and so I get negative 2046. So going back here, my numerator is negative 2046. And then negative divided by negative just gives us a positive value, which makes sense, right? And that's our sum of those 10 terms. Seems kind of big, but these are doubling each time, so they're going to get big fast. And so that would be our sum of these 10 terms. All right, and a lot of this is just picking the right formula, so I can't stress it enough. Use this as your guide. All right, hope you are doing well. That's on our website if that's not clear from this video. So find that formula sheet on the website. All right,